There are two buttons to create a new story at the top and to the left. Once you click this, there will be 5 story options to choose from: screenplay, comic book, audio drama, and novel. For this video, you need to click screenplay. Then, you name your story how you like. Remember, this can always be changed later. After this, your screen will show more pages for your screenplay: title page, synopsis, treatment, and statistics. Each of these are used for something different. I'm going to be showcasing the most important ones and showing what they do. A scene heading always starts with either int, interior, and ext, exterior. This shows whether your scene will be inside or outside. Then you'll be asked to write on the action line, which can be used as either a description of the environment or a way to place the characters. Character is the next option. This lets you write dialogue for the different characters you use in your story. But if you start the dialogue with a bracket, it turns into parenthetical. This basically lets you write the emotion of a character or an action that they're doing. The next line is what the character is saying in the script. A transition lets you write the way a scene is entered and exited, such as a fade out, a fade in, fade to, and fade to black. There are multiple different ways that this can be used with.